Hi, I'm George Smeddles, and join me as I build a track from scratch. Anyone who watches this, they'll see the process of how I did things, how I got to where I needed to get to, how putting down some simple keys led me to writing a bass line, which led me to bringing the vocal back and dropping the keys out, and then laying out the track, obviously. So, I think anyone can take quite a lot from this course. I wanted to show people as well that there is no wrong or right way to make music. You can do it any way you want. Throwing on maybe 10, 15 plugins per channel isn't always the answer, and it's not necessarily going to make your tunes better. It's about using sounds to inspire you to get to the next level and just getting really creative. You don't have to be so precious with your sounds. You can just make something. Maybe you'll use it later, maybe you won't, and then move on. You use that sound to let it inspire you to do something else. And then if once you've done that, you might go back to it, you might not. It might be the best thing having both, or you just don't know, but it's all part of the process. Just keep things moving and keep the energy up. You've got to keep trying new things all the time. It helps keep things exciting as well. Because it's so never-ending making music, it will open so many doors in the studio. You'll be like, wow, I can do that with that, and I can do all of these drums this way, or so definitely switch it up in the studio and keep things interesting, because that's when you're going to find your sound. And when you find your sound, that's when things start to get really interesting and exciting.